Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Grade 2. Today is RQC class and we are going to start Unit 2B named I Say Alhamdulillah. When we say Alhamdulillah, we praise Allah and thank to Him. Let's start reading of Unit 2B. Story time. Once upon a time there lived a boy named Abdullah who was in service of a king. He would say Alhamdulillah to everything that would happen to him, whether good or bad. One day while hunting, the king accidentally shot off his finger and Abdullah said as usual, Alhamdulillah. This upset the king and he jailed Abdullah, who again said Alhamdulillah. We read in this paragraph that Abdullah was servant of a king. Whatever happened to him, whether good or bad, he said Alhamdulillah because it was his habit saying Alhamdulillah. One day when the king's finger was injured by himself, Abdullah said Alhamdulillah. The king became very angry because Abdullah had said Alhamdulillah when his finger was injured. He sent Abdullah into jail and Abdullah said Alhamdulillah again when he was sent to jail. Let's move on to the next paragraph. Soon after, the king went out hunting again by himself. He strayed into a land of cannibals and was captured. The cannibals were about to kill him before they realized he was missing a finger. Knowing full well they should not sacrifice an incomplete human being, they released the king. Now the king understood that Allah had made him shoot his finger to save his life. He went back home and freed Abdullah. He asked Abdullah, I understand that the loss of my finger was something worth saying Alhamdulillah. But why did you say it when I jailed you? In this paragraph, we came to know that one day while hunting, the king was caught by man-eaters. They wanted to kill him, but when they find out that the king did not have a finger, they let him go. Then the king realized that his life had been spared because the loss of his finger. Then he released Abdullah and asked him, why you said Alhamdulillah when I sent you to jail? Now we read our next paragraph. Abdullah responded, had I been with you that day instead of being in jail, I would have been sacrificed since I had all of my fingers. In this we came to know that Abdullah replied, King, I was in jail, so my life was saved. If I had been with you, the cannibals would have killed me because all my fingers were intact. Let's move on to the next lines. Alhamdulillah is an expression of both praise and thanks to Allah. It is something that can only be understood when we think of the blessings of Allah has given us. In these lines, the meaning of Alhamdulillah has been explained to you, which I also explained to you above. Now look at do you know? Here is written, when we say Alhamdulillah, Allah grants us a tree in Jannah. Let's move on to the next page, page number 14, Unit 2B. I say Alhamdulillah. Here you are given some pictures along with their explanations. Look at your first picture. Here a boy is sneezing, and when he sneezes, he says Alhamdulillah. In your second image, when I finish my homework, I say Alhamdulillah. He has finished his homework, and after finishing his homework, he says Alhamdulillah. Let's move on to the next two pictures. The first picture, when the boy reaches, in the first picture, when the boy reaches home, he says Alhamdulillah. And in the second image, he says, when I finish eating, I say Alhamdulillah. Let's move on to the next image. Here the boy has finished drinking, and he is saying, when I finish drinking, I say Alhamdulillah. We came to know from all these images that when we sneeze and after finishing our works, we should say Alhamdulillah, which means all praise be to Allah. Our unit 2B is finished. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.